Hi everyone, welcome to the Amazon Mastery course. I'm super excited to have you here. Together, we are going to take you step by step through everything you need to succeed on Amazon. So let's jump right in and get started on your journey. Let's explore the Amazon Fulfillment Report section, which is designed specifically for FBA sellers. The Fulfillment Reports page provides a wide range of reports that help you to monitor your FBA inventory, sales, payment, returns, and removals. So you will find these reports listed on the left hand side panel, as you can see on my screen, grouped into different categories for easier access. So what is recently viewed section? On the right hand side, you will find a few helpful sections. Let's start from the recently viewed. This area shows the reports you have accessed most recently, right? For example, uh, inventory ledger, right? It provides a detailed record of inventory movements and balances. So the second thing is manage FBA inventory. It displays your current FBA stock status, including quantities and fulfillment center locations, right? So um, let's talk about the popular report section. Uh, the most popular report section is the section which highlight the reports most frequently used by the seller. So this include number one is all order report, a complete list of every order placed and detail and order status. So number two is inventory ledger report. It tracks stock levels, adjustments, and inventory flow over time. So the next option is manage FBA inventory report. It shows you a real-time FBA inventory level, inbound shipments, and inventory health. So next thing is FBA customer return reports. List all the customer returns, including the reason for return and the condition of the item. Okay. So what's new section? Then we have what's new section is this column usually display newly added reports, important system updates or feature or enhancements related to reporting tools. If it's MPT, that means there have been any new updates recently, right? Okay, so let's break that down, reconciling inventory. So number one is starting inventory balance. This is determined from uh, previous day, week, or month ending balance. So you can find this in the inventory ledger reports summary view. So the next thing is received inventory. Whenever new stock arrives at Amazon Fulfillment Center, increases your balance. You can track these receipts in the inventory ledger reports. So the next thing is customer orders. When items are shipped to customer, your inventory decreases. To view the shipped quantity for specific SKU, open the customer shipment sales report. Okay, so the next thing is customer returns. Return reports are often added back into inventory pool. You can check how many units were uh, returned and credited using the FBA customer return reports. The next thing is adjustments. Sometimes Amazon makes manual adjustments for lost, found, or damaged items in fulfillment centers. So use the inventory ledger report detail view to review these adjustments. So the next thing is reimbursement. If an item is lost or damaged, Amazon may issue a reimbursement. You can view reimbursement items in the reimbursement reports and manage them through inventory, defect, and reimbursement portal. So next thing is removals. When you request to remove inventory from Amazon warehouse, it reduces your total balance. To see those details, open the removal shipment detail. Okay, now we will cover left sides all reports one by one, starting from multi-channel fulfillment inventory. So the multi-channel fulfillment inventory report, often called the MCF inventory report. So this report is designed for sellers who use Amazon's multi-channel fulfillment service, or MCF. So it applies to inventory stored at Amazon fulfillment centers. So that can be used to fulfill not only Amazon.com orders, but also orders from your other sales channel, so such as your own website, eBay, Shopify, Walmart, and different marketplaces online, or even social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram. So the question is, what exactly does multi-channel fulfillment do? So it is a service where Amazon stores your product in their fulfillment centers, pick, pack, and ship orders on your behalf, even if those orders don't come from Amazon.com, right? So it offers fast, reliable shipping through standard, expedited, or priority delivery options. So the next thing I want to let you know, the MCF inventory reports gives you a detailed view of your multi-channel fulfillment stock, and it shows how much inventory is available for MCF orders, what stock is reversed or unavailable, and your inventory level across different Amazon fulfillment centers. So you can easily download the MCF inventory report by clicking the download button, as you can see on my screen at the top of the page, right? So once you download it, you will see detailed data about your fulfillment channel fulfillment inventory. So it includes SKU and FNSKU, unique identifiers for your products. The next thing is product name, as you can see, and ASIN, item details for easy tracking. Available quantity is for inventory that's ready to fulfill both Amazon and non Amazon orders, and reserved quantity means stock temporarily held for pending or processing orders. So inbound quantity means product on their way to the fulfillment center, and the fulfillment center ID means showing which Amazon warehouse your inventory is stored in. So with the MCF inventory report, sellers can track and merge inventory across multiple fulfillment from single stock pool. So prevent overselling or running out of stock on their sales channel, streamline operations while leveraging Amazon logistics network, right? So moving to the next report under the Amazon fulfillment report is inventory ledger report. Uh, this inventory ledger report is like a bank statement for your inventory that shows inventory movements uh, and for Amazon fulfillment centers. So uh, this provides a complete view of your inventory in Amazon fulfillment centers, and this report shows everything from inventory received, adjustment made, to reconciliation events, giving you a complete picture of your stock movement, right? So the inventory ledger report actually replaced six older report, including the daily inventory history. Number two is monthly inventory history, inventory even detail, Number 4 is inventory adjustments. Number 5 is inventory reconciliation, and number 6 is received inventory. So now all this data is available on the single powerful report. So you can view both historic and real-time inventory events by switching between the summary view and detail view. So the summary view gives you an overview of total movement, while the detail view helps you trace every single transaction, right? For more information, you can always visit Inventory Ledger report help page, or a check guide titled How to Get Information You Need. So to explore this report in one more detail. So when we move forward, we will talk about generating the inventory ledger report. Inventory ledger report page input field is visible, like ASIN, SQ, FNSQ. So to generate your inventory ledger report, you will find a few options on this page. You can enter a specific ASIN, merchant SQ, or FNSQ if you want to create a report for particular product. So if you leave these fields blank, Amazon will generate the report for all your products. So I have added the ASIN in the merchant SKU. So select the date range and generate the report. And as you can see on my screen, the results are displayed here. So this report shows all the detailed inventory movement, including received inventory, customer orders, return adjustments, and removals. So giving you a clear picture of your stock activity over the selected time period. So you can choose the type of reports you want, like summary view for a complete overview, or detailed view for the transaction by transaction breakdown. So you can also saturate your report by location, for example, by country or fulfillment center, and even by the time period, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. So finally, set your date range, then click generate report, as you can see on my screen, to create your report. Once you generate it, you can easily view it online or download for offline analysis. Okay, let's move to the next report under the Amazon Fulfillment reports is AWD Inventory Ledger. The AWD inventory reports work just like a bank statement, but for inventory, it records every movement if your stock and from Amazon's distribution center within the AWD network. AWD, or Amazon Warehousing and Distribution, is Amazon's low-cost bulk storage solution. It shows and allows seller to store large quantities of inventory long term, and then distribute that inventory to Amazon stores or the other sales channel, like your own website or retail partners or social media handles like Facebook, TikTok, right? So I want to let you know the best part. The best part of the pricing for AWD already includes FBA inbound placement services, which means no additional inbound placement fee is charged, right? So to learn more about this program, you can click on the about Amazon warehousing and distribution. So link is showing here, as you can see. So in short, this reports helps you to monitor how your AWD inventory moves between storage locations and fulfillment centers, ensuring complete visibility of your stock from storage to distribution, right? So to generate your AWD inventory ledger report, you will first need to enter your product details. Finally, click on the request download to generate and download your AWD inventory ledger report. Once the report is ready, you can open it to view all inventory transactions, uh, including inbound shipment, outbound transfer, and any adjustments made within AWD network. Okay, so next move is report under Amazon Fulfillment report is dangerous goods DG status. So let's talk about the dangerous goods status, also known as DG status. On Amazon, this status indicates whether a product is classified as hazards or non-hazards for storage, handling, and transportation. So particularly when using fulfillment by Amazon or FBA, right? So Amazon uses this classification to comply with safety regulation for items that may pose risks, such as being flammable or pressurized. So here are few common examples I want to let you know of the products considered dangerous goods. So batteries, especially lithium types, because of they pose a fire hazard. So sprays and nail polishes, perfumes, and cleaning supplies, right? So finally, when you click on the request download, you can generate and download your DG status report. So once the report is ready, you can also open it, view all inventory transactions, including inbound shipment, outbound transfer, and any adjustment made within AWD network. Okay, let's move to the next report under Amazon Fulfillment report is restock inventory. So restock inventory report is a useful tool that helps you to avoid lost sales by reminding you to restock your product before they run out. So this report provides recommendation based on your product sales history, demand trends, and lead time, helping you to maintain healthy stock levels across your FBA inventory. So however, Amazon is now phasing out the restock inventory report and replacing with a new FBA inventory report. So the new inventory report offers a consolidated view of your key FBA matrices, including sales over the past 7, 30, 60, or 90 days. Shipment statuses such as working, received, and shipped, and inventory across different Amazon fulfillment centers. Also, it shows you recommended restock quantities, excess units, and age inventory details, and even recommended actions to optimize your inventory performance. So instead of using multiple reports, the FBA inventory report will serve as you single comprehensive sources for tracking the managing all your FBA inventory matrices in one place. So finally, click on the request download to generate and download your request inventory report. Okay, let's move to the next thing, which is standard inventory, the most important thing in Amazon Seller Central. So standard inventory report gives you a breakdown of your inventory that's currently in standard status. So what is the standard status? Standard refers to FBA inventory stored in Amazon Fulfillment Center that is not currently available for sales, and usually because the sales usually because the listing is inactive, missing information, or has been blocked by FBA. So these reports help you to quickly identify why each product is in standard, right? Whether it's due to closed or deleted listings, any pricing errors, any restricted product issues, or missing attributes, right? So by reviewing this report regularly, you can take unnecessary corrective actions such as relisting the product, uh, updating details, or removing inventory to get your listing active again and prevent unnecessary storage fees, right? So in short, the standard inventory reports helps you to keep your FBA listing active and your inventory working for you rather than sitting idle in the fulfillment centers, right? So as usual, finally click on the request download to generate and download your standard inventory report. So let's talk and take a look at the reserve inventory report. This report provides a breakdown of your inventory that's currently in reserve status. So reserve inventory refers to units temporarily held within Amazon Fulfillment Network. It means they are not currently available for sales because they are being processed for one of several reasons, right? So these includes customer orders, FC transfers, FC processing. What are the customer orders? They are the items reserved because a customer has placed an order. FC transfer means inventory being moved between Amazon fulfillment centers, and FC processing is item being prepared, received, or checked by an Amazon, right? So this report helps you to understand how much of your stock is on hold and where is the fulfillment process. So which is useful for planning restock and avoiding overselling, right? So in short, the reserve inventory report gives you visibility into inventory that's currently reserved, helping you better manage stock availability, shipment timing, and inventory flow within Amazon network. So finally, as you can see on my screen, click and request to download to download your reserved report, right? So let's talk about the subscribe and save forecasting report, a valuable tool for a seller enroll in Amazon subscribe and save program. So this report provides a weekly overview of inventory forecasting for products that customer have subscribed to receive on recurring basis, right? So such as monthly or quarterly deliveries. It helps you to predict future demand and inventory requirements by showing how many units are expected to be shipped each week through the subscribe and save program. So with this report, you can ensure your FBA inventory stays in stock for upcoming subscription orders and preventing delays or cancellation due to low inventory. So in short, the subscribe and save forecasting report gives you a clear weekly forecast of your subscription product demand, helping you to plan your inventory replenishment more effectively and maintain a smooth customer experience. So you can request download to generate your and download your save and subscribe forecasting report. Okay, next move to the Amazon Fulfill Inventory Report. It gives you a snapshot of all inventory stored in Amazon fulfillment centers under the FBA program. It shows detail like ASIN, SKU, FNSKU, available quantities, reserved units, and a total inventory levels, helping you to keep track of what's currently stored and ready for fulfillment. So in short, this report helps you to monitor your FBA stock levels in real time and make data driven restocking decisions. So you can request download to generate and download your Amazon fulfillment inventory report. Okay, let's talk about the multi country inventory report. It gives you a complete view of FBA inventory stored across different countries in Amazon fulfillment network, and it shows how much inventory you have in each country, helping you to manage international stocks levels, optimize cross-border fulfillment, and reduce delivery times for global customers. So, in short, this report helps you to track and balance your FBA inventory across multiple marketplaces efficiently. So, finally, you can request download to generate your report. Okay, let's talk about the manage FBA inventory page. It shows you the current FBA fulfilled by Amazon uh, inventory status, including all products stored in Amazon's fulfillment centers. So here you can view details such as available stock, inbound shipment, reserved inventory, and unfulfillable units. This helps you track inventory health and make timely restocking decisions, right? So you can also filter by SKU, ASIN, or status. So uh, sort inventory to find specific items quickly. So to keep a record or analyze further, simply download the report from the export options. So in short, the manage FBA inventory page help you to monitor your stock levels in real time and keep your FBA operations running smoothly. Okay, moving to the next step, the manage FBA inventory report archived. It provides a historical snapshot of your FBA inventory data that was previously available in the main managed FBA inventory report. Uh, this archived version allows you to access older inventory records, including available quantities, inbound shipments, and reserved stocks for reference and comparison purpose. So you can download this archive report to review and view your past inventory performance and reconcile historical data to maintain compliance documentation. So in short, uh, the Manage FBA Inventory Report archive helps you to analyze and retain historical FBA inventory data for better tracking and long-term reporting. Okay, let's move to the next step, which is the inbound performance report. It tracks defects and issues that occur during in the inbound shipping process by both product and shipment, right? So this report helps you to identify problems such as missing units, damaged units, or mislabeled units that affect your FBA shipments, right? So monitoring this report, it allows you to maintain high inbound accuracy, reduce delays, and improve overall seller performance metrics, right? So if you can see on my screen, each row represents a defect or issue found during shipment receiving. So here are some columns. So even date means the date Amazon recorded the defect, right? Shipment ID means the unique ID, and FC fulfillment, the Amazon fulfillment center where the shipment was received, and a defect type means the category problem, mixed products, inaccurate item quantity, barcode error, and expected to quantity means number of units you shipped according to your shipping plan, and received unit means number of units Amazon actually received, and defect quantity means difference between expected and received quantities, right? So performance impact means how many units were affected by this issue, and merchant SKU, as you know, the SKU of the product, FNSQ, as you know, the internal SKU identifier, and ASIN is Amazon Standard Identification Number. So alert status shows you whether you have acknowledged the issue. Acknowledge means you have acknowledged and reviewed it, and fee type means indicate the type of a fee involved, for example standard or whatever, and total fee means cost if any charge due to issue. So as you can download this report to review inbound performance report. So in short, the inbound performance report gives you actionable insights to minimize defects and ensure smooth inventory intake that Amazon's fulfillment center. Okay, let's move to the next part, which is the exportable inventory US section. It shows you all the FBA products that are eligible for internal sales through Amazon FBA export program. So when your inventory is marked as exportable, Amazon can automatically make your product available to the buyers outside of the US while handling shipping, custom, and delivery for you. So not all products are eligible. Items like batteries, flammable goods, or restricted materials may not qualify under international shipping laws, right? So eligibility can change over the time as regulation or product restriction are updated. So in short, exportable inventory US helps you to expand globally without extra effort, giving your products worldwide reach through Amazon's FBA export services. Okay, let's move to the next, and the next thing is, as you can see on my screen, the bulk fixed standard inventory tools. It allows you to resolve standard listing in bulk by downloading, updating, and re-uploading them, as I explained you earlier, available only to professional sellers, right? So to fix a standard inventory in bulk, follow these three simple steps. Number one is request and download your bulk fixed standard inventory report from this page, and number two is open the file in a separate spreadsheet program and update product details such as price and condition. So number three step is upload your updated file using add products via upload, or if you use Amazon Marketplace web services, upload it through the inventory loader template, right? And you can easily download the report to review bulk fixed standard inventory details and take corrective actions where needed. So in short, the bulk fixed standard inventory report help you to reactivate multiple standard listings quickly, saving time and keeping your inventory active and sellable, right? So moving to the next tab, which is FBA inventory report, it helps you to manage and analyze your fulfilled by Amazon inventory effectively. It includes key matrices such as sales, inbound shipment, estimated fee, and recommended restock or removal actions, right? So the new FBA inventory reports provide a consolidated real-time view of your inventory performance, combining insights from previous reports like inventory health, inventory age, and excess inventory. So it displays sales trends over the last 7, 30, 60, and 90 days, along with the shipment statuses such as working, received, and shipped units. So you can also view excess or age inventory, including storage fee and recommended actions, so helping you to make faster data-driven decisions, right? As you can see on my screen, you can download the report and easily make the details and take corrective actions when and where needed. So in short, FBA inventory reports gives you up-to-date centralized insights into your inventory health and performance, so you can stay ahead of your uh, stock issues and maximize sales. Okay, if you see on my screen, the next section under fulfillment below inventory is sales section, in which we will cover outlet details, uh, subscribe and save performance, Amazon fulfillment, shipments, Amazon fulfilled shipments and tax remittance, all orders, global store, sales report, customer shipment sales and promotions, and customer taxes. So let's start with the outlet deals. The outlet deals report helps you to identify inventory that can be sold through Amazon Outlet, which offers discounts to customers on overstock or aged products. So this report lists eligible ASINs that currently inventory levels and the discount recommendation provided by Amazon. You can use this data to decide which items to move into outlet programs. So by participating in outlet deals, you can clear excess or slow moving inventory, recover storage spaces, and increase sell through rates. So all while attracting more price sensitive customers. So reduce storage fees, boost sales, clear age stock. So you can easily download the report to review outlet deals, details. In short, the outlet details report is a great way to turn unsold stock into opportunity by giving your products a second chance to sell at discount prices. So moving to the next report under the sales section is subscribe and save performance. The subscribe and save performance report provides a weekly overview of your performance data for the FBA subscribe and save program. So this report helps you to track subscription orders, redemption rates, and repeat purchase behavior, giving insight into how your subscription based sales are performing over the time, right? So you can easily download the report to review outlet deals detail. So in short, this report helps you to analyze and improve customer retention, ensuring steady recurring sales through the subscribe and save program. So moving to the next report under the sales section is Amazon fulfilled shipments. So the Amazon fulfilled shipments report provide comprehensive details on all FBA customer orders that have been shipped. This report includes shipment information such as order date, ship date, quantity shipped, destination, and tracking details, helping you to monitor every fulfilled order handled by Amazon, right? So you can use this report to track fulfillment accuracy, analyze shipping trends, and download details, record for accounting or customer service purposes, right? So if we move to the next report, and the section is sales section, is I think as you can see on my screen is Amazon fulfilled shipments. So the Amazon fulfilled shipments tax remittance report provides the comprehensive details on FBA customer orders that have been shipped, along with the tax information collected and remitted by Amazon. So it shows report columns with the order ID, ASIN, sales tax, uh, total amount, and remittance detail. So this report includes all the relevant tax data, such as order value, tax type, and amount remitted to the respective authorities, helping sellers stay compliant with the tax regulation. So you can download this report to reconcile your tax record, verify Amazon's remittance amounts, and maintain accurate financial reports, right? So moving to the next report under the sales section is all orders. The all order reports lets you to download details for the all FBA and sales fulfilled orders, including the most recent updates. So this report provides a complete view of every order, whether fulfilled by Amazon or by you as a seller, allowing you to track order status, shipping progress, and fulfillment performance, right? So you can easily download the report for the record keeping analysis to the reconcile sales across all fulfillment types. So moving to the next tab is Global Store Sales Report. The Global Store Sales Report shows all the units that were sold and shipped to the customer in international destination countries. This report helps you to track cross-border sales performance, see which countries your products are reaching, and measure global demands for your listing. So in short, if I told you the global store, as I told you, the global stores reports give you a complete view of your international FBA sales activity. So you can easily the download report by clicking the tab to download. Moving to the next tab is customer shipment sales. The customer shipment sales report provides detailed information about your shipped FBA orders, including SKU, quantities, revenue, and destination details. As you can on my screen, the input fields, right? So you can generate this report by entering specific SKU, order ID, and date range to see exactly what has been shipped and where, right? So this reports help you to track product level shipment performance, analyze revenue by order, and understand your delivery reach across the region. So you can easily download this report by clicking tab on download, so as you can see on the screen. So if we move to the next report under sales section is promotions. The promotion report provides details about discounts and promotional offers that were applied to the customer orders. For example, if you see on my screen, super saving saver shipping, right, coupons and other promotional details. So by filing these report fields, so you can list each promotion with its amount, promotion ID, description, and order details, helping you to understand how discounts impact your sales and revenue. So in short, the promotions report helps you to track applied discount, analyze their effectiveness, and measure the financial impact of promotional campaigns, right? So you can easily download the report by clicking tab to the download, right? So moving to the next tile is sales. Under the sales section is customer taxes. The customer taxes report provides under order information used for sales tax reporting. Report from what feels like merchant SKU, right? FNSQ, Amazon order ID, and event dates being filled out before generating the report. This report includes details such as tax amounts, order IDs, and fulfillment data, helping you to accurately record and file your tax sales tax obligations, right? You can easily download the report by clicking the on tab download. So in short, if I tell you the customer taxes report ensure you have all the tax related data you need for accounting and compliance, right? So the next section under the fulfillment below sales section is payments. So in payments, we will cover these options. Number one is fee preview, inventory, storage overage fee, monthly storage fee, return processing fee, FBA inbound placement service fee, aged inventory surcharge report, reimbursements, inactive rewards, low inventory fee report. So If we move next report under payment is fee preview. The fee preview report provides estimate Amazon selling and fulfillment fee for your current FBA inventory. It also includes detail about any upcoming fee changes that may affect your seller fulfillment or FBA offer. So this report helps you to understand the cost structure in advance, including storage fee, referral fee, and fulfillment charges. So you can make better pricing and profit decisions, right? So you can also easily download this report in CSV format to review estimated costs for all your active listings and plan accordingly. So to the next tab, which is inventory storage overage fee. So this show estimated overage fee for the inventory stored in Amazon Fulfillment Center that exceeds your allocated storage limit, right? So this report breaks down overage fee by storage type, helping you to identify which inventory category are exceeding capacity and incurring the extra cost. So you can download the report in a CSV format to review estimated fee and take actions to optimize storage and reduce costs. So moving to the next thing is which is monthly storage fee. The monthly storage fee report show you the estimated storage fee charged for each ASIN stored in Amazon Fulfillment Center. So this report helps you to understand how much storage space your inventory occupies and a fee incurred for holding that stock for each month, right? As you can easily download in CSV format. So moving to the next option under the payment is return processing fee, non-apparel, non-shoe. So this thing is for non-apparel, non-shoe items, provides SKU level detailing, right? Showing you how to return process fee were calculated for each month's shipped units. So this report summarizes return activity and associated fee for FBA orders and becomes available between the 10th and 18th of the third month after shipment. For example, fee for June shipment can be viewed between September 10 and 18, right? So as you can see on my screen, you can easily download from the CSV format to review monthly return related costs and analyze how they impact your overall profitability. So moving to the next thing, which is FBA inbound placement service fee. The FBA inbound placement service fee reports provides detailed information about placement service fee charge for each FBA shipment. And this reports break down fee by item and shipping plan, helping you to understand the costs associated with distributing your inventory across Amazon's fulfillment network, right? So if we move to the next tab, which is age inventory surcharge report. So this report provides details of surcharge applied for your FBA inventory that has been in storage for a long time period, right? So this report table with columns like ASIN, SKU quantity, event date, and surcharge amount. So this report helps you to identify items that are incurring additional storage fee, so you can take actions such as removing, discounting, or liquidating aged stock. So in short, this report gives you visibility into long-term storage costs, helping you to reduce fee and manage inventory efficiently. So if we move to the next tab, which is reimbursement report provides you item like details of reimbursement issued to you by Amazon. Always remember, this report helps you to track reimbursement related to the inventory defects, customer returns, and warehouse damages. So each uh, entry includes the SKU reimbursement amount, order details, and even date for easy reconciliation, right? So also you can review this report after filling the provided columns. So you can also download the report to manage reimbursement offline. or review historical data in details, right? So for managing inventory discrepancies and related reimbursement efficiently, visit the inventory discrepancy and reimbursement portal, as you can see on my screen. So moving to the next thing is report. Next report under the payment is incentive rewards. The incentive rewards reports provide a historical of rewards assigned to your products, allowing you to track performance and understand which listing receive incentives, right? So, to protect the customer privacy, Amazon has replaced the customer order ID and shipment ID columns, right? With the order defect and shipment date. You can still filter rewards by ASIN and FNSQ during this transition, right? So, if I let you know in short, uh, the incentive reward program and this report helps you to track product level rewards efficiently while maintaining compliance with the privacy standards, right? Okay, move to the next option is low inventory level fee report. The low inventory level fee report provides details of fee charged for maintaining low FBA inventory level on each orders. This report helps you to identify which orders incurred low level fee, allowing you to take corrective actions and maintain healthier stock level to avoid future charges, right? Also, you can download the report by week to monitor trends to ensure you are keeping sufficient inventory levels across your products, right? So next section under fulfillment below payment is customer concessions. So customer concessions includes three things: FBA report, FBA customer returns, replacements, and FBA grade and resale reports. So FBA customer returns shows all the customer returns items that have been received at Amazon fulfillment centers. This report helps you to track return products, understand return reason, and manage inventory adjustments or reimbursements efficiently, right? So for easier defect tracking and reimbursement, you can also manage these returns through the inventory defect and reimbursement portal. So here you can enter filters such as merchant SKU, Amazon order ID, FNSQ, ASIN, LPN, or select a specific event date range or narrow down your search, right? Once you have entered the details, click generate reports to review your FBA customer returns data. So you can download the report to track customer return activity and identify patterns that help improve product qualify and customer satisfaction, right? So this is my schedule section. As you can see here, you can view and manage all the automated report uh, schedules you have created by adding frequency and start date. So moving to the next thing is replacements. The replacement report provides details of replacement items sent to the customer for completed orders. That this help you track when and why replacement shipment were made, so giving you the better visibility into post sales customer service activities, right? As you can see here, you can enter merchant SKU, Amazon order ID, or even date to generate a specific report. Leaving these fields blank will generate a report for all the eligible orders, right? So the report data is refreshed every 24 hours, ensuring you to have up to the up to date information about replacements transactions. So you can easily download and report anytime, right? So if we move to the next tab, which is FBA grade and resale reports. So this reports and this insights provides you inventory processed through Amazon's create and resell program. This is an automated solution that helps you to recover value from unfulfillable inventory. So always remember, only sellers enrolled in this program who have selected guide and resell under the automated unfulfillable setting will see this data in this report. So you can enter specific products identifier or dates or to generate a targeted report or level or leave the fields blank to review all the available transactions, right? So download easily, you can download anytime and track graded items, monitor resale performance, and make informed decisions about your inventory recovery strategy. Okay, if we talk about the next thing is which is uh, customer concessions removal under this section. So which we will cover three things: a recommended removal order details, and removal shipment details. So moving to the report under the removal is recommended removal. The recommended removal report helps you to identify aging or excess inventory that may soon incur a long-term storage fee. So it ensures you to take timely actions to maintain healthy FBA stock levels. So you can search by merchant SKU or ASIN to generate a specific report to leave them blank to review all the items recommended or for removal. So uh, here is an example I want to show you entry from the report. So this is the date, ASIN, SKU, product, so stick for face, and status, note listing, and quantity is 5. This product is appears into the recommended removal list because it has unsold inventory with no active listings, which may lead to storage costs. So uh, resolve this to resolve this, click begin removal process to create uh, a removal orders and clear the excess stock. If the reports span multiple pages, remember to submit a separate removal order for each page. Okay, let's move to the next step, which is under removal and removal order detail. The removal order detail report provides a complete breakdown of all removal orders you have created for your FBA inventory. It shows each order status, the SKUs included, quantities requested, removal method, and processing timeline. So helping you to track how Amazon is handling your removal requests. You can enter filters like merchant SKU, as you can see on my screen, the removal order ID, or even date to narrow down your results. Leaving these fields blank will generate all available removal order data. So you can download this report at any time to monitor removal progress, verify return inventory or order disposal action completed by Amazon, right? Okay, so moving next report under removal is removal shipment detail. The removal shipment detail report shows a shipment level information for return to seller removal orders. This includes tracking ID, carrier details, shipment status, and items Amazon has packed and shipped back to your designated return address. So download this report to follow up on incoming removal shipment and confirm whether all units were returned accurately, right? So if we move to the next tab, which is ERP category report, the ERP category report provides detailed information required to comply with extended uh, producer responsibility regulations across different marketplaces. It shows which of your ASIN fall under regulated product categories such as packaging, textile, electronics, and other materials subject to ERP laws, right? Once it generated, the report helps you to understand which product require ERP registration number, fee, additional documentation to remain compliant. You can download this report anytime to stay ahead of compliance requirement and ensure that your listings remain active in ERP regulated marketplaces, right? So moving to the next tab, which is under the Amazon Global Logistic, is FAPIO statements. FAPIO statement section contains text complaint documents required in certain regions such as China. These statements represent official proof of transactions of VAT purposes, right? So if you see on my screen, you can review and download these documents for each billing cycle to ensure that your accounting records comply with local regulatory requirements. So this section is especially important for sellers operating in regions where FAPIO documents are required as legal tax receipt. Okay, so moving to the next report under Amazon Global Logistics is a monthly debit statement. The monthly debit statement provides a summary of all fee Amazon has deducted from your account for a month. So these include logistics charges, storage fee, transportation costs, surcharges, and any other AGL related adjustments. So you can download individual monthly statements to review your expenses in details and reconcile them with your internal accounting records. So this reports helps you keep track of ongoing operational costs and maintain transparency in your financial planning.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you are feeling inspired and ready to take action. Keep going, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video where we will unlock even more Amazon success together.